It's a 2019 BMW 7 Series. BMW's flagship continues to be the beacon that all other full-size luxury sedans look to. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, multi-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, comfort access key, front heated leather bucket seats, automatic GPS linked and transmission, hands-free liftgate, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver proclaims, isn't just a car, it's a concierge, a four-wheeled passe part out. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.